Hello children, welcome to Get Easy Maths. Hope you all are doing well. So children, today we will learn about number line. Integers can be represented on the number line. On a number line, the positive numbers are to the right of 0 and the negative numbers are to the left of 0, as you can see in the diagram here. All the positive integers will go around this side. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is going to extend endlessly in this direction. Again, we are having -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on in this direction. Integer number line can be extended in both the directions endlessly. And we are having positive integers to the right side and negative integers to the left side. So integers can be easily presented here, and the basic arithmetic operation which we are having, addition, subtraction, multiplication, can be also easily understood by the number line. And one important thing, we know that 0 is neither positive nor negative. So number line is the best way to represent integers on it. As the one thing we should remember always, an integer on the horizontal number line is greater than the number on its left and less than to the number on its right. Let's just compare between 0 and 1. Here 1 is greater than the 0 and the number which is present to its left, that is 0. That 0 is smaller here than 1. Usually number lines are represented in a horizontal manner only. Sometimes you can also draw them vertically. Like children, we are having examples here. You can see here. For example, I want to compare -1 and -2. You can easily compare integers using number lines. So -1 is greater than -2 and -1 is at the same time less than 0. 0 is always greater than negative integers. Zero is greater than negative integers at here. Right hand side we are going to the positive numbers, and left hand side when we are moving we are going to the negative numbers. And here greater sign is there and less than symbol is there. And one thing always remember, when you are moving to the right it is positive, and we are moving to the left it is what? Negatives. Important note is there children, if the number has no sign attached to it. For example, if you are having just simply 3, what does it mean? Just positive 3. No need to write in extra here. 3 is also considered as a positive integer 3, even though plus sign is not added to its early. Okay. Now we are having the rules for the operation on the number line. Like children, if I want to add a positive number, always we'll go to the right hand side. We will move to the right. And suppose I want to add a negative number, so I'll move to the left hand side. Let's consider the example. I want to add 5 with minus of 3. This one. So what I'll do, from the 5 I'll move 3 jumps on the left hand side. When I'll jump to the 3, what I'll get? +2. What I'll get? +2. In the same way, here I want to add 4 with a -5. So from the 4, I'll jump to the left hand side. That also 5. So 4 plus minus of 5, what you will get? Minus 1. And suppose I want to add 0 with negative 8, minus of 8. So what I'll do? From the 0, I'll move to the left hand side. 8 jumps. So I'll get minus of 8. I'll reach to the minus 8. And here, in this example, I want to add 6 with 8. Both are the positive integers here. So as they are both the positive integers, so from 6 directly I'd go to the right hand side. For addition, you have to move to the right hand side. From the 6, you will go 8 jumps. You will reach to the 14. So here, we'll come to know how to do the additions. In the same way, subtraction. And even if you want to do multiplication on number line, you have to skip directly. So integers can be well represented using number lines, and you can easily compare the integers. You can perform basic arithmetic operations. Hope you have understood all this. Thank you.